Welcome to Gurara! Hello guys, you're welcome to Gurara Falls today, and today we'll be going around this place, touring around this place and having fun. So join me as we explore the world. Hello guys, where I'm sitting down today, this is like a quadrangle. You see people are sitting down there. Hello guys, you know they concentrate. So this quadrangle was constructed by a German who was working for a company in Nigeria named Julius Berger, and he comes here with his family and friends almost every time because it takes like 1 hour from Abuja to come here. So he comes here every time and there are no seats to sit down on, so he decided to like construct this stuff for everybody to come here. When you come here, you have your food, you eat, you have you want to relax, you relax, you just have to be free here. This was done by a German who was working for a company in Nigeria named Julius Berger. Yes, sir.
My name is Abdullah Suleiman. I'm the manager of this Gurara Waterfall.
Okay, sir.
This is where I was born, and this is where I'm employed to serve as a manager of this place.
Awesome.
Apart from me, we have about 11 staffs.
Yes, sir.
Which we have about 5 lifeguards and 6 security men. So this is Gurara Waterfall, and the waterfall got its name from 2 shrines our forefathers were worshipping this place. We have 2 shrines. One a male and one a female, which we call them, the male was Gura and the female was Rara. From there, we want to combine the 2 names to become Gurara. Okay. And the waterfall was discovered by a hunter around 1745, about more than 3,000 years ago. So today, we have visitors from all over the world.
Awesome.
From all over the world visit Gurara Waterfall.
Yes, sir.
And the government of Niger State have started little things to develop the area into international standard. You can see now the government of Dr. Muaz Babangida Aliu have tied this road, bring a light, demarcated a land about 1,105 hectares for development. Before you go, I will show you our plan. Just we want to put in this place.
Okay.
We have some plans like zoo, like golf course, 5-star hotel,
yes,
amusement parks, presidential resorts, sport facilities.
So I wanted to ask, like this plan you're talking about, are the private sectors also involved? Like, are you planning for those people to come over and also invest, or you just want the government?
We even prefer private investors, because with that 1,100 hectares, we want it to be even competitive. Not even one investor. Maybe this one will do cable car. This one will do international hotel. This one will do golf course. This one will do a stadium.
All those plans be allocated.
So private people are welcome. We are looking for private investors. I was employed in 2002 by the Niger government.
Like, this is a riverine area, so you've been here all your life, like 20 years or more than 20 years now. I want to ask you, this falls, have you seen anything like maybe a man-made?
That's where I've seen one man-made water, one side woman being, one side fish.
Yes. So that's it has been seen here.
It's real.
It was seen by them.
Yeah.
Does this water have grace?
Yes, the source is from Kachia in Kaduna State. That's the source.
But it has been traced.
It has been traced.
Kachia.
It's about 300 kilometers to this waterfall. But the waterfall is located in Boni village, about 70 kilometers to Abuja and 69 to Mina.
Okay.
So it's located in Boni village, in Gurara local government in Niger State. But the source is from Kachia in Kaduna State. It meets the Niger in Kogi State.
So this water flows down to Kogi State.
Yes.
So I want to thank you very much for having us today, and we just want to tell you that we are happy to be here in your own community, having fun and all. And I think this is the right time now. After this, the explanation and all, I think we have to go down there and see it for ourselves.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Not full here. One is full, the sound will much more than this. As we are speaking to each other, we can hear each other very well here.
Yes, sir.
But now to the next month, water will full more than this.
Okay.
Dry season and we will low more than this. As we see in this place, the level will be low. You can even swim here and get what you want. I think you have the first point there where you snap.
Yes, sir.
This is the second view. Take a picture, and it's a very nice view. Take a picture. When you take picture here, then I'll take people down to where to check the water, touch the water.
Okay, sir.
This is the second view. Okay, this is the third point.
Yes, sir.
When you come with your antenna, you can drop your antenna here. If you like to swim, you can swim. After you finish swimming, you finish bath, you come and eat, then you last. If you have anything to do, then you do that. Then after you finish your program, then you go.
At this third part you're talking about, can we also fish here? Like if I brought my fishing tools, can I also fish here?
You can fish here.
And I can also swim here.
You can also swim.
Lizard!
Oh, yeah. Lizard. Oh, I like this side.
visible in this country. Like, it's now in the northern part of the country. Wow, man, this river is something else. You see, I even fell down having fun, man, but it's wonderful. The view is crazy here. Everything is nice. I must really come back. Like, I'll come back to this place. Sincerely speaking.
Thank you.
Thanks for bringing me here. I fell down and then my phone broke. But thank God I'm alive.
Okay, my name is Mokore Ozamaka, alias Family Man. I believe many of you know me well. This is a very nice place to be. As you can see, we are having fun with my brothers and friends. I think people need to go, people from different parts of the world or different parts of the places can come around, have a view, like tourism, places like this. I think this is very nice.
Okay.
Guys, the best thing about the fourth point is that it takes you back to the first point while hiking all the way there. So that will be all for Gurara Falls, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and also drop a comment on where you want me to visit next. Thank you.